According to the Mirror, Ten Hag will press Manchester United to sign Brazilian international Anthony to replace Cristiano Ronaldo if he is sold this summer transfer window. The 22-year-old winger was a key member of the Ajax side that won the Eredivisie title last season under the guidance of the new United boss Erik ten Hag. In all competition, the Samba star featured in 32 games, scored 12 goals, and also provided an assist. The South American contract will expire in 2025, and he is valued at £80 million by the Dutch side. Sooner or later, will Manchester United have to replace Ronaldo, but do you think Anthony can replace him? I don't think so. In the past few years, and since returning to Old Trafford, the Senegal captain has mainly played the center forward and not as a winger. However, Anthony is primarily a right winger, and he has never featured in the number 10 role. We have already uploaded Edison Cavani for free, and if Ronaldo is sold, then a young out striker must be signed to enforce the strike force. Have your say. Who sold Ten Hag signed to take the place of Cristiano Ronaldo at Old Trafford?